Hello everyone. So today we will be studying another new topic of the chapter soil. As we are continuing with the chapter soil, so today we will be learning about a new topic in the chapter soil. So what we are going to learn today, first of all we should know that what are the crops which are suitable for which kind of soil, and then we will be learning about the properties of soil, and among all the properties of the soil, today we will be learning the first property, that is soil contains air. So soil and crops. Now different types of soils are found in different parts of India. Okay, now in some part of India there is clay soil, in some part there is loamy soil, whereas in other part there is sandy soil. It depends upon the geographical location. Okay, now this soil, it is affected by the climatic factors such as, you can say, wind, rainfall, temperature, sunlight, humidity. Okay, the climatic factor as well as the type of soil determine the type of crop and other vegetation which can grow in a region. Okay, so here are some important crops and the types of soil which are suitable for growing these crops. Okay, number one is clay soil and loamy soil are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Gram, all of you know what is gram. Now such soils, that is clay soil, they are good at retaining water. Okay, so these are the crops which require a lot of water, but the best soil for growing wheat crop is, however, the loamy soil. And as because the loamy soil, it is found adequately in the northern part of India, so therefore you will find the growth of crop is more abundant in northern part of India. And you all know that loamy soil, it is rich in humus and it is very fertile. Okay, next, number two is soil which is rich in clay and organic matter and having very good capacity to retain water. It is ideal for growth of paddy, because paddy, it grows in the waterlogged areas. Along with paddy, one more crop is there. Okay, that is means fibrous plant which grows well in this type of clay soil is what is jute. Okay, next, for growing lentil, lentil means the masoor dal, okay, and other pulses, loamy soil which drains water easily, it is suitable. Okay, now for growing cotton crop, sandy loam soil, okay, that is a mixture of sandy soil and loamy soil that drains water easily also and can hold plenty of air in it, is more suitable. So this is all about your summary of soil and crop. Now next is what properties of soil. Now basically in this chapter we will be learning about 4 properties of soil, and along with that we will be learning an experiment also. Okay, so what are the 4 properties of soil? First property is that soil contains air. First property is soil contains air. Number 2, soil contains water or moisture. Okay, number 3, soil can absorb water, and number 4, soil, it allows water to percolate or to pass down through it. Okay, so today what we will be learning, today we will be learning only the first property, that is soil contains air. Okay, now air, it is present in the spaces between the soil particles, right? Now these air, it provides what? It provides the oxygen which are required for the respiration by the roots of plant and other living organisms, okay, which are present in the soil, that is the insect, decomposers and all. Okay, now how will you prove that soil contains air? Now this is actually a laboratory experiment, but at home also you can do it. It's a very simple experiment. For this, what you have to take? You have to take some dry soil in a beaker. Now beaker, it is not available in your home, so in your home you can take a glass tumbler, okay, or you can take a glass bowl, simple glass bowl. Okay, now you take some amount of soil, okay, put it in the beaker or glass bowl or tumbler, whatever you have. Okay, now add water to the beaker and stir the soil and water with a glass rod. If glass rod is not available, you can use a spoon or a simple rod, or you can use a spatula. Okay, now what you will find after doing this, you will find slowly some bubbles are coming out of the soil. Okay, now these bubbles are actually the air which is present in the spaces between the soil. Okay, actually why it is coming out? It is because that when we are stirring the soil with water, the water it enters the spaces between the soil particles and expels the air present there. Okay, so these expelled air is seen in the form of bubbles coming out from the soil. Okay, so this activity it shows that soil contains air. Here you can see the picture. Whenever you are putting soil, okay, inside the water, or suppose you have taken soil and over there you have put some water in it, okay, slowly what you will find that the bubbles are coming out. Okay, it is due to this fact that the water molecules, they are entering in between the spaces of the soil and which is expelling out the air from the soil. Now this air it is coming out in the form of bubbles. Okay. Now sand particles, they are quite large, as you all know. Now sand particles, they cannot fit closely together. Okay, so there are large spaces between sand particles, right? Now these spaces are not vacuum, rather these spaces they are filled with air. Okay, due to this sandy soil it provides more air to the plant root. Okay, on the other hand, the clay particles, they are very smaller. Okay, they pack tightly together, leaving a little space for air. So clay soil it provides much less air to the plant root which grow in it. Okay, so if you put water in the sandy soil, you will be finding more bubbles are coming out, whereas in case of clay soil you will be finding lesser bubbles are coming out. Okay, as because the the air content is very low over there. So this is all about your experiment on the fact that soil contains air. Okay, next day we will be learning about a new property, that is soil contains water. Okay, we will be learning a new activity, okay, on soil contains water. Till then, thank you everyone.